In the next decades, almost every vehicle will be connected. If it's been always aware of what is going on in transport and surrounding sector, the revolution occurring will have deep effects on mobility and its users. All kinds of transport mode will be based on data sharing and connectivity anytime, everywhere. At the same time, highly automated vehicles will change the role of a driver from active vehicle occupant to a passenger. The main problems of the transport system will not be accidents or emissions, but cybersecurity and how to manage the return to human control of the vehicle. Otherwise, before leaving this scenario, we will face a period of long uncertainty that we will have to learn to manage. First of all, we need to standardize the road codes of the member countries of the European Union, plus consider the countries' neighbors involved in this delicate process. The European Directive 2006/126 regulates the driving exams, but does not manage the training at all. This generates a huge problem, as well as an obstacle to the free and safe circulation of European citizens. We need to think about a legislative change that involves the introduction of a unique European road sign regulation beyond the Vienna Convention. As European Federation of Driving Schools, we call for harmonization of European driving training system as soon as possible, and we guess to consider the updating of the current drivers based on new vehicle technology levels. Another relevant issue will be the coexistence between vehicle and vulnerable road users. Connectivity shall give a strong impulse for obtaining good results in this field of road safety, but it will be necessary a strong synergy between the different actors. Everybody has to respect the rules, and this is not always everywhere easy to apply. The topic is very complex, and therefore it cannot be limited to the training of human beings. But it will be necessary to think about its road education that will start from the first years of their life and not only as an adult. For most of us, it could be something as a lifelong learning system. How do we synchronize the investment necessary in the communications, physical and digital infrastructures, as well as new transport system policies with new technology and services? How should we move forward with institutional, regulatory and legal issues, including liability? Definitely, the mobility sector is changing as end users and service providers will play a more central role into the society. It will be a very tall challenge that, however, will depend on the speed with which we will create, develop and manage the infrastructure. We can conclude saying everything will depend on the infrastructure. Sooner they are ready, sooner civil society will accept the change.